Dear all, let's discuss about Bector Foods again. A quick analysis on buy, sell or hold decision. I have been watching the Bector's Foods share from the day it is launched. In my older videos, I had also suggested that hold this share, sell it only if it goes below 490 rupees, and that also if you are not patient to hold it. Right, I think I see a lot of positive indicators now that Bector might bounce back. I try to research on any news that I can see which can back it. There is no news currently available for Bectors, and in a way having no news is good for a stock, at least at this moment. Let us see the chart. Like you see here, I have 2 days trade here, 4th and 5th of this month, and the trend was always in a negative terms. Like if I draw a trend, like from the day it hit the 600 mark, it was always in the negative trend, and I think the dust is settling now, is trying to make its up move. You can see here, here, and these points, if you see, the stock is consistently trying to make up move, right? So it is trying to push itself into upper direction. And also, like the line I have drawn here, the green color line, the long line, expect the stock to go up at least 490 rupees in the next trading session, right? So if you see this chart, what you understand is the stock which was continuously falling, now I think it has got the possibility of up move. Now I think I can give a target for 2 or 3 trading sessions from here. If you can buy it tomorrow at the current price, or 475 rupees, it will easily be able to hit 500 rupees in 2 to 3 days. So apart from that, I don't think that there is anything much that we can talk about. If it makes a low, it will be a new low. You can keep it as a new resistance as somewhere in around 440 rupees. However, target wise, like I said, at 500 rupees I can see one resistance which is existing from first of this month, and there is one more resistance at around 510 rupees which was carried for quite a long time, right? If the stock makes an up move at around 510 rupees, it might struggle to go up again, and it might oscillate in the same range for a quite a bit of a time, right? Apart from that, I can give the target of around 500 or 510 rupees in the matter of 2 to 3 days. Please let me know if you have any doubts or concern on this talk. I will be happy to assist. Please subscribe to our video and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.